Oh, hey, welcome. I'll be right with you. If I survive. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lance from NerfThis.TV. Today we're going to be having a look at LumaFusion. I know I've done some videos on it before, but today we're going to be doing a little bit more advanced and one specific subject. It's one of the things that they've added to LumaFusion recently. And I thought I'd do a quick video on it, showing the new features for those of you that use LumaFusion. Welcome to Tutorial Tuesdays. Yes, that's what I'm going to be calling it. The idea behind it is every Tuesday I will do a little tutorial on something new that's come through one of the apps that I do training on the iPad. So it'll be either Photoshop for the iPad or LumaFusion or one of the others, Procreate, that type of thing. So for this one, I'm going to go over a feature added recently in a update to LumaFusion, and that is blend modes. When they demonstrated this new blend modes, they actually had a shadow of a windmill on a wall. So I've decided I'm going to recreate that. But we're just going to have a look at a few of the blend modes and how to use them. So what I've got is some stock footage here, and then above it I've actually put in, let me unhide it, some more stock footage. So here we've got some items flying around, little icons, various, and we've got those windmills that I want to use to reflect onto the wall like a shadow. So we'll start off with this first one. Okay, the blend modes are in the frame and fit, so where it's actually gone into here, you'll scroll down. Oops, no, we don't want to turn anything. You'll see at the bottom here we've got blend modes. I'm not going to move the frame in this particular clip, so we'll just go and find a suitable blend mode. They're broken down into pretty much darken, lighten, and the various screen modes. So you'll see all these first ones are all versions of darken. So we've got darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, and then we've got various versions of lighten. So we've got lighten, screen, color dodge, linear dodge, lighten, color. And then we've got the overlays, the screen, different screens. So soft lights, hard lights, pin lights, difference, exclusion, subtract, divide, hue, saturation, color, luminosity, stencil alpha, stencil luma, silhouette alpha, and silhouette luma. So for this one, I'm going to use something out of the lighten kit. I'm just going to eyeball it and see what looks good. Ooh, overlay, no, lighten color. Linear dodge looks quite nice, you can still see the lines in. Screen, we'll just straight up lighten. I think I'm going to go with linear dodge, and then you can also the opacity of the actual blend. So I don't think we need it 100%. That looks quite good, especially for this purpose. And now you'll see we have ourselves icons flying through our picturesque, looks like a drone shot. Okay, so you get the idea. It's pretty much various blends. It's pretty much various ways to add onto another layer. For this one and the next one, I'm actually going to do two things. So first of all, I'm going to crop the size. So wait, the size is fine. Sorry, I'm going to crop the left, the right quite a lot, the bottom a little bit, and the top a little bit, and then going to round the edges. I'm going to soften it quite a bit. just to get the effect that I'm actually after here. And then I'm going to go to blend modes, and we're going to go and find, I think on this one we actually need something out of the darken category here. Multiply, that has potential. Let's see if we drop down the opacity a bit. Darken color, no. I think multiply seems to be the best effect so far. Let's just play through that and see if it has the right effect. Yeah, so you pretty much have a shadow of a windmill on a random wall. I like that. Okay, I also want the same sort of thing for this next one, except this one I'm not going to crop. I'm just going to use the full frame like it is now. Actually, I might crop it from the left a little bit. No, not distort. Let's crop from the right a little bit, because we don't actually want it on this door. Actually, just on the frame a little bit. Okay, we're also then going to do the whole corner radius, and we're going to soften that, and then we're going to go to our blend modes, and we'll probably use one of the darkens again. Darken color. Actually, none of those seem to work quite nice. That overlay, no, no. I think we might have to use multiply again. Yeah, I suppose so. Multiply. Let's see what that plays like. It also looks quite good. I think I might try a different version for that though, because it's not quite what I had in mind. Stencil, no. No, it looks like darken is the only ones that are going to give us the shadow effect that we're after. Looks like multiply is it. Just drop it a little bit more. And there we have various blend modes. As you can see, it's pretty easy stuff. You basically find something that suits the actual effect that you're after, and you can use it to add multiple things. I mean, not just shadows and stuff like this that I'm trying to add here. So there's various things that you can use it for. These are just hopefully a few ideas for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon and all those lovely things, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.